The Voynich Manuscript, the secret document that no one can decipher. In a world full of mysteries, few are as intriguing as the Voynich Manuscript, a book that defies logic, written in an unknown language and adorned with illustrations of non-existent plants, enigmatic figures, and indecipherable diagrams. Since its discovery, it has been the target of numerous translation attempts, conspiracy theories, and scientific studies, but to this day, no one has been able to fully understand it. What lies behind this document? Could it be a hoax, a secret code, or knowledge lost in time? The discovery of the manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript was discovered in 1912 by Polish bookseller Wilfrid Voynich, a collector of rare books who found it in a Jesuit monastery in Italy. The document immediately caught his attention due to its unique characteristics. Pages written in an unknown language, illustrated with drawings of plants and strange diagrams, many of which did not correspond to anything known. Voynich purchased the manuscript and, fascinated by the mystery, spent years trying to decipher it. However, its complexity was so great that he made little progress. He then began to share it with experts, hoping that someone could understand its content. Since then, the book has become one of the greatest enigmas in cryptography and linguistics. The manuscript's strange language. One of the first things researchers noticed is that the Voynich manuscript was written in an alphabet that does not resemble any other. The words have internal patterns that suggest a coherent linguistic structure, yet no one has been able to associate them with any known language. Over the years, many cryptographers have attempted to decipher it. During World War II, for example, US government codebreakers analyzed the manuscript, believing it might contain hidden messages. However, even the best cryptanalysts failed to find a logical pattern. In modern times, with advances in artificial intelligence, scientists have attempted to use algorithms to identify the text structure. Some studies suggest that the language may have similarities to certain Asian languages, or might even be a form of hidden code. However, there is still no reliable translation of the document. The mysterious content. The manuscript consists of about 240 pages, though some are believed to be missing. It is divided into sections, each containing a different type of illustration: botany, drawings of unknown plants, accompanied by detailed notes. Some resemble stylized versions of known herbs, while others do not match any cataloged plant. Astronomy, diagrams of stars and constellations, suggesting that the book may contain astrological knowledge. Biology, illustrations of small human-like female figures immersed in liquids, connected by tubes, as if they were part of an unknown biological process. Pharmacology, images of vials and substances, possibly indicating the presence of medicinal or alchemical recipes. Continuous text, various pages contain long blocks of text, written in the same fluid and uniform handwriting, without any corrections or erasures. The absence of captions in a known language makes understanding these contents difficult. Each page seems to tell a story, but without a key to translate the texts, the meaning remains inaccessible. Attempts to decipher it. Since its discovery, numerous scholars have tried to solve the Voynich manuscript's enigma. In 1919, Professor William Newbold claimed to have deciphered part of the text, alleging that it contained secret writings by medieval philosopher Roger Bacon. However, his theory was later discredited. In the 1940s, the US government's cryptography team analyzed the manuscript, believing it could be a secret code. However, they found no patterns indicating a known language. More recently, scientists from the University of Alberta used artificial intelligence to try to identify the document's linguistic structure. AI suggested that the language might be related to Hebrew, but even so, the translation remained inconclusive. Theories about its origin. Since no one has managed to translate the manuscript to this day, various theories have been proposed to explain its origin and purpose. Medieval medical treatise. Scholars believe the manuscript is a medieval medical guide, possibly an herbal or pharmacological recipe book. The presence of plants and biological diagrams supports this hypothesis. Elaborate hoax. Another possibility is that the manuscript is a hoax, created by a fraudster to deceive rare book collectors. Some believe that Wilfrid Voynich himself may have forged the document to increase its value, although this theory was weakened by analyses dating the book to the 15th century. Secret code. Some researchers think the manuscript may contain a hidden message, written in a code that has yet to be broken. It could have been used by a secret society, or contain information forbidden in its time. Lost language. Another theory is that the manuscript was written in a language that has been lost over the centuries. If that is the case, the lack of linguistic references may make its translation impossible. Extraterrestrial or supernatural origin. Some people believe the manuscript is a document of non-human origin, containing information beyond our current understanding. Although improbable, this hypothesis adds even more mystery to its story. Conclusion. A mystery that endures more than 600 years after its creation, the Voynich manuscript remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Even with all the technological and linguistic advances, we have yet to decipher it completely. What is written in these pages? Is it lost knowledge, a secret code, or just an unsolvable enigma? The only certainty is that the Voynich manuscript continues to challenge scholars and enthusiasts, remaining one of the most enigmatic documents in human history. And you? What's your theory about this mystery?